In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete messages on WhatsApp Web. We'll walk through getting signed in, and then show you how to remove an entire chat or specific messages so you can keep your conversations tidy. Start by opening your web browser and searching for WhatsApp Web. Click the official result to open the web client. On the screen, you'll see a large QR code. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Go to the device linking section and scan the QR code to connect. If your region supports it, you may also see an option to log in using your phone number on the web page. Follow the on-screen prompts if you choose that route. Once authenticated, give it a moment for your chats to sync. You're now logged in and ready to manage your messages. On the left side of the screen, you'll find your conversation list. Scroll to locate the chat you want to remove. Hover your mouse over that chat in the list. A small down arrow menu icon will appear on the right side of the chat preview. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose Delete Chat. This removes the entire conversation from your account on WhatsApp Web, and because your devices are linked, it will reflect across your account. Before confirming, make sure you truly want to clear all messages for that chat, since this action cannot be undone. If your goal is to remove only certain messages instead of the whole conversation, you can select the specific items you want to clear. Within the chat, look for the checkboxes that appear next to individual messages and tick the ones you want to include in the deletion. This is helpful when you only need to clean up a few items while keeping the rest of the conversation intact. After selecting those messages, click the trash bin icon that appears at the top of the chat window. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Choose Delete for Me to remove the selected messages from your view. Keep in mind, Delete for Me only clears the messages on your side. Other participants will still see them unless a Delete for Everyone option is available and used within the allowed time window. If you don't see that alternative or the time limit has passed, the message removal will remain local to your account. That's it. You've logged in, found your chat, and either deleted the entire conversation or selected specific messages and confirmed with Delete for Me. Take a moment to double-check your selections before you confirm, and you'll keep your WhatsApp Web clean and organized.